Later today, our short range models will get in range to see how these storms develop for our Friday event, which is expected to be the most significant severe weather day potentially of the week. The Storm Prediction Center has greatly expanded this slight risk area and now includes Chicago. You can see portions of even central to southern Wisconsin, southeastern Minnesota, and this stretches all the way down south through central Texas. And we now have an enhanced risk for severe weather on Friday. This includes Kansas City, Oklahoma City, and Tulsa. You can see on the latest Euro as we get into the late afternoon, these storms could really begin firing off on Friday. Strong QLCS showing up on the Euro. Again, we're going to get our short ranges later, so we'll be able to see how these thunderstorms potentially develop with that high resolution look. This right here does look like a very significant QLCS though, so again, keep up to date with what's happening on Friday. I will be live streaming later, and we're going to review the short range models that come out so we can look at this again in more detail. As you know, we are very warm right now, but as I've been saying, a cool down is likely coming, and take a look at the latest from the European ensembles. As we get into around March 10th and 11th, we start to see that cold air diving down from the northwest. By the way, this is probably going to cause some more issues. I've been seeing some pretty crazy model guidance around the 10th, 11th, and 12th of March for severe weather through this area. Severe weather outbreak possible. Maybe this is a lot of dry and cold air from the north, and we're going to have a lot of warm and moist air down there to the southeast. But here we go, pushing into the 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th. We're getting cold again in the States. Someone asked in my stream last night, are we done with snow in the east? No, not by any stretch. I do believe 1 or 2 more snowstorms is likely on the way for someone out here, Midwest, Ohio Valley, somewhere out in the east. Look, we have very cold air returning. Some of this air could even feel like February cold, and I think we'll have some moisture to tap into as well. But this might be our last real feel of winter for the season. We'll have to wait and see.